Hello students, in the last class I explained you what is the meaning of UDF and there are 4 types of UDF. Today I will teach you how to perform this practically. This is one of the very important concept, as I have already told you. You must be knowing about its practical implementation. Now I will take you to TurboC. All the code we are performing in TurboC only. There are many editors, but better you use TurboC. You know how to create a new file. If you are not aware with this interface, then you check out lecture number 1, which is introductory video. Okay students, now first of all, this is type number 1. What was type number 1? No argument and no return value. I am writing it in the comment as a heading. First of all, we have to include header file. I will just copy it from here. You know the copy and paste shortcut key, you know everything, right? Control insert and shift insert. All the shortcut keys I have explained in lecture number 2. You can go through it. Why we include stdio.h and conio.h, this also I have explained in one of our previous class. Okay students, now we will start our type number 1, no argument, no return value. What is argument? You know it. What is return value? You know it as well, because both these things are very important and I have explained you in our previous introduction of UDF video. Okay, now we will start. Students, you know very well there are how many steps? There are 3 steps. How to create user defined function. Okay, these are 3 steps. Okay, step number 1, declaring a function. So first of all, we have to declare a function, and can you see this students? Declaration we will do out of the main. Okay, so I will declare a function out of the main, then I will write body of it, and then we will call a function. Okay, so let us declare a function. I have already included 2 files. One more thing students, if you will see TC restored like this, you want to maximize it, then the shortcut key is Alt Enter. You press Alt and Enter, it will become bigger. Step number 1, what was that? Let me write here for your better understanding. Step number 1, declare function. Okay, I will declare a function void add. That is it, function is declared. Now what is the meaning of void students? See, no return value. What I told you, here we have to write data type, but this function does not return anything, so there is no data type. When a function does not return you anything, we have to write void. That is why most of the time we write main void. Our main function is most of the time void. And can you see this? This bracket is empty. We are not writing any argument because there is no argument. So it is no argument, no return value. This is step number 1, declaration of function. Now I will do step number 2. What is step number 2? Writing code, providing body to the function. Writing code to the function. Let me write it. Okay, so let us simply do something, that this is add function and it will add 2 numbers. Okay, so I need 2 numbers, integer a and b. I will give a message, because if I want to add 2 numbers, then I need 2 numbers, right? I need value of a and b. So what I will do students, I will ask user to enter 2 numbers. Okay, to ask user I have to give a message, so for that I will write printf. To write a message I have to write printf. Enter values of A and B. Now to accept the value from user, we have to use scanf. You know what is the use of scanf very well. Now A and B both are integer. So what is the format specifier of integer? I have explained in the video of data type. I hope you have checked it out. So both are integer, so I will write %d and %d. Now put a comma and you write address of A, comma, address of B. Alright, now I want to add both of them. You can declare a third variable and you can add them, or you can add them right like this as well. Directly you can put it in the printf. Value of A plus B equal to %d. So here instead of %d, it will give you the answer, because here we are writing like this. You put a comma and you put a bracket and then you write A plus B. That is it, student. Your function is created. This is known as body of the function, right, students? But this function will not be executed if we will not call it. What was step number 3? Calling a function inside the main method. See, students, compiler will always execute code from the main method. So we have to write the main method. Before that, I hope it is clear to everyone that this function will perform addition of A and B. We will ask user to enter two numbers and we will add them. There is no return. We are not returning anything and we are not passing any argument to it. This is no return and no argument. Okay, now I will write void main. Main is also one of the function of its kind. Now here what am I writing? First of all, I will write CLR SCR because it will clear the previous output. Now step number 3. What is step number 3? I hope everyone remember step number 3. Calling a function. How to call a function? It is so simple. You just write function name and put a semicolon, and then you put get ch over, right? So this is known as function call. Before we execute it, let me save it. I hope you remember what is the shortcut key to save a function. I will press F2. I will save it as UDF Type 1. Okay, now it is saved. Before we execute, we have to compile it. I hope everyone remember what is the shortcut key of compilation. I will press Ctrl F9. Okay, there is no warning, there is no error. Now we can execute it. The answer will be very simple. Okay, see, Ctrl F9, enter value of A and B. So I will enter maybe 10 and 20. Value of A plus B is 30. This answer is very simple, right? There is no big thing, but how it call the function, that we have to understand. Now I will explain you step by step. I will show you the mechanism of it. This is going to be very interesting. Please pay your attention over here. I'll show you the output here. Let us execute everything parallelly. This is going to be very interesting, students. Alright, now see. Did you observe something, students? We have write so much code, but compilation starts from here. Okay, consider this as compiler. This is going to compile your code. This is old output, previous output. I have executed it just now, right? So this is previous output. Now you see line by line how the execution will happen. Inside, now the control will go inside the main method. See, where is the control? Control is on CLR SER function. CLR SER means clear the screen. Now it will clear my old output. This is output window. See, did you observe that? It clear the old output. Now where I am here, where is the control? Calling a function. Now it will call the function. Okay, execution start from main. Now it will call the function, it will go to the body of the function. See, from here control will shift on the body of the function here. Now control will go inside the add function. Now there is a printf, there is a message, enter value of a and b. Did you see in the output? What is that? Enter value a and b. Okay, now I will enter maybe anything. I will enter any two numbers. Okay, can you see? Two new numbers are there in output window that we have inserted just now. A equal to 44, B equal to 55. Now our control is on printf. Value of A plus B is %D. It is on printf, right? So it will print something. Can you see? 99 is the output in the output window. And where is the control right now? The control is at the end of the add function. So now it will go back to the main method. See, did you see where we call the function here? So it execute the function, it come back and it come back to the main method. Now what we have written on the main method, get ch, it will get a character and the code is over, right? So like this the entire mechanism will happen. First, step number 1, we have declare a function. It is void. Void means no return value. When a function does not return anything, it is void. No argument. When we don't write anything in this bracket, it is no argument. And step number 2, providing body of the function. No matter how beautiful code you will write in the body of the function, but if you will not call it, it will not get executed, right? So this is UDF type number 1. We have to learn 3 more types. I will create separate video for that. If you have any doubt related to type number 1, then you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next class.